the Widow.
I kind of regret not recording that Doom gameplay because that shit was sick.
Fat finger that one. That was my bad.
I'm gonna. I'm gonna sleep him. Fuck him up. Fuck him up. Fuck him up hard. Fuck him up hard.
Why is he just jumping right into us every time?
They're so easy together. Winston, I got an
By the way,
answer.
today's
Can you
games
jump
went even more smoother than yesterday's games. Like we completely crushed the two teams we played against.
in? Never mind.
2-6
I'll
stats.
hang on to mine. Actually, do you want it? Here you go.
So when is the tournament? This weekend?
First round I think is Saturday, and then they're taking a week break for Thanksgiving, and then they do the next 2 weeks after that.
You can go get her.
This one's shorter too.
I got
Usually
you.
it's a month or two.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Oh
Dude!
no! Widow's way back in the point. Way back hard.
Oh, guys, this Widow. Oh! We gotta help call out Widow for Winston, you guys.
Yeah, I'll just call her out and I'll try and put some pressure on her.
Yeah. Alright, they have eyes, let's regroup. Who's that critical on the right? Oh, okay. Oh, shit, dude!
Widow's on the bottom right. Widow's bottom right.
They still have eyes, they still have eyes.
What supports do your support players play?
We're good? Oh, dude!
I think they both
still
play
have
everything,
eyes?
right?
That's good.
I could play every tank in the game, so like that's why I got main tank role. Well, main or off, I could play either.
Oh shit! Mine.
Mercy
Anybody a
behind
Widow
you. Can I get a
player?
touch up? Mercy, please. Thank you.
Oh, hey, Hammond sleeping right here. Hammond sleeping right here, there's in the back though.
How long is this? 6 pages. Okay. I'm actually gonna go for a bit because I have to read this. I can't focus on
Can't leave this.
talking and reading this at the
Do
same
you
time.
guys have eyes on Widow or pressure on Widow? Winston, or...
Hopping on Widow, hopping on Widow.
Yeah, it's a diamond level Zen.
Alright, I'll be back.
Oh, it's a 5-stack.
Yeah, let's come back, guys. Come back. Mercy, come back. Oh, I can try to sleep this? Slept it?
Wow, that Zen's pretty
I'm gonna try
good.
to sleep him? Sleeping? Oh god, every time.
Well, there's 2 crayfish fist. That's why. I was so confused. Hammond and fucking Zen are both the same name.
Behind us. Then behind us.
Into the iris.
I'm gonna try to sleep this Hammond. Widow behind, what the fuck is going on? Widow on the right?
Might be on tilt. Might be, I don't care.
Cart!
Sleeping?
Cart! Get on cart!
Yo, they should have let the guard down. Just let the guard down.
Oh, keep swinging around, keep swinging, Jesus. Finally. Alright, we got it, guys. Everyone here? Where's McCree? Okay, McCree's on the right. Zen's up top. Remember payload,
Oh, Widow.
Oh no!
Where's the Widow? Oh shit, where's the Widow?
Widow's top, dude. This...
Back, behind Joe, behind Joe, behind Joe, behind Joe.
Widow's behind it.
Damn, good round.
Damn.
Score 1-0. Switching sides. Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
Justice ain't gonna dispense itself. Thank you kindly.
Be sure to stretch before engaging in the rigorous physical activity.
Sorry.
It's funny because I'm not actually sorry.
Well, it's high noon somewhere in the world.
This was not Jake.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend
Thanks.
objective
What are we doing, you guys? Ryan is alone on the right? What? Okay, your Anna's with the Ryan.
Alright, reset with
Respect the
Ryan.
widow. Zarya, come back. Zarya, come up. We went high ground all of a sudden.
Oh, they got Hanzo too. Hanzo and Widow.
Left off. Fighting on point. Hamster on point.
Cameron's asleep. Big purple. I got you, Ryan. You should have your shield up though.
Not time
Slow
to
down.
hold them yet.
Widow
Oh,
top right.
Fucking Widow.
They got
Look at that
Lucio
widow.
now, not Zen.
Enemy contact.
Sleeping?
Oh, I got revved. Nice. Revved. Revived.
Keep going.
I got the bitch.
To Valhalla.
Ooh, fucking Widow picking on me.
Mercy. Come here, dude. Play it safe, but let's wait for it, right? Oh god.
I got Shatter.
Their Hanzo has dragons.
Let's start over at the beginning.
Mercy got a rest for me in the back. Back left. Oh! Shit.
Oh, that hot.
Give it up. No, Hammond, don't do it. Don't do it. Thanks.
I've got you.
We still gotta call out the Widow.
Let's get you back out there.
Hammond, you're solo, dude. Sleeping! Fuck yeah, fuck this guy up, dude. Fuck this guy up hard. Fuck this
Oh, Widow got me.
Oh my god, dude. What a save.
Let's
Oh,
start
save our
over
Ryan,
at
save
the
our Ryan.
beginning.
Personne n'échappe à mon regard.
Damage increase.
I'm gonna drop my blizzard. No, nobody's here.
Has arrived.
Big purple. fuck, dude? This fucking Smurf. Winston sleeping? Winston sleeping?
This life's never uneventful.
Winston's awake, Winston's awake, Winston's awake. Oh, Widow. Oh shit.
Fucking Widow, man. Oh my god.
Oh, Widow upstairs. Widow's right upstairs. Oh shit.
Back into the mix.
Oh.
Lame.
Play of the game.